Hey friends! A car OBD2 scanner diagnoses engine issues, monitors performance, and prevents costly repairs efficiently for every vehicle owner. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car OBD2 scanner in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Incel AD310 OBD2 scanner. Known widely as the CL Doctor, this compact device is a lifesaver for identifying check engine lights quickly. It effortlessly reads and clears emission codes while providing live data and freeze frame information for accurate troubleshooting. Weighing only 12 ounces, its portable design and thick 2.5-foot cable make it extremely durable for on-the-road diagnostics. It supports all major protocols, meaning it works on most vehicles from 1996 to the present day. This essential tool is perfect for home use, ensuring you never get overcharged at the mechanic again. Its user-friendly interface and clear screen make it accessible even for those who have never used a scanner before. Next up, our second product, the Motopower Car OBD2 scanner. This multifunction code reader features an extensive built-in DTC lookup library to explain exactly why your check engine light is on. It offers deep insights into real-time curves, engine load, and even coolant temperature to monitor your vehicle's health. The 2.8-inch backlit LCD screen provides excellent visibility, while the flexible 2.5-foot cable allows for easy handling in tight spaces. Supporting 9 different protocols, it is a versatile choice for a wide variety of domestic and import car models. This device is powered directly by your car, so you never need to worry about batteries or external chargers. It is a practical and budget-friendly diagnostic solution that empowers every driver to take charge of their basic vehicle maintenance. Coming in at number 3, the Diagnostic Car OBD2 scanner. The D200 model is a professional-grade bidirectional scanner that allows you to command vehicle systems like fuel pumps and windows directly. It provides OE-level full-system diagnostics, accessing the engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS for a comprehensive health overview. With 26 essential reset functions, it handles everything from oil resets to TPMS calibration with expert-level precision. The real-time graphing supports up to 8 PIDs, making it simple to track intermittent faults or sensor performance trends. You get lifetime free software updates, ensuring this future-ready tool stays compatible with the newest vehicle models on the market. This is an indispensable asset for serious DIYers and professional technicians who require deep system access and reliable, bidirectional control capabilities. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Yakri Car OBD2 scanner. This professional scanner provides a lightning-fast diagnosis of engine and electrical issues in as little as 3 minutes. It uniquely combines full OBD2 diagnostics with an advanced 12V battery health tester to measure SOC and internal resistance accurately. The 2.8-inch HD color screen displays live data streams and curve graphs, making complex fault codes very easy to interpret. Trusted by over 100,000 drivers, it supports 13 different languages to accommodate a global audience of car enthusiasts. It is an ideal tool for pre-trip safety checks or inspecting the condition of a used car before purchase. This reliable unit includes an 18-month warranty, ensuring long-term protection and confidence for every diagnostic task you perform at home. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Incel Car OBD2 scanner. The AD410 is a high-performance diagnostic tool famously recommended by YouTube star Scotty Kilmer for its reliability and speed. It features a massive database of over 42,000 DTC definitions, allowing you to identify engine problems instantly without any online searching. This scanner excels at specialized tests like O2 sensor monitoring and EVAP leak detection, which can significantly improve your fuel efficiency. The 2.4-inch TFT color display and intuitive user interface provide a seamless experience for both beginners and seasoned mechanics. It draws power directly from your vehicle's port, making it a completely standalone device that is always ready for action. With a decade of expertise behind it, this scanner offers consistent updates to ensure your diagnostic capabilities are always top tier. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.